Hello you guys, so today we are going to be baking chocolate brownies. Can you guys see? They're chocolate brownie mix and we're going to be baking them. So yeah, you're going to be coming along with us. We'll put them in the oven and then we'll do a YouTube short on the aftermath. So, let's have a look at the ingredients, instructions and ingredients. So we will need 1 medium egg, 30 millilitres of oil and 45 millilitres of water.
2 minutes.
So let me grab the egg. I can grab that. So we have an egg. I'm going to pop that down. Try not to let it roll off and smash. That's never happened to me before, but I know that could happen. So yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on the egg. We need water and we need oil. Oil is in this cupboard. Is oil in this cupboard?
Yeah.
Oil. Vegetable oil.
Yeah, water.
Specifies what oil? No, it just says oil. And then 45 millilitres of water. So let's get
a bowl or a cup or something. Okay, sweetheart.
one of these cups. Randomly.
Did it say cold water?
Yeah. Well, it's not going to be warm water, is it? Okay, preparing the brownie mix. Yeah. Empty the brownie mix into a mixing bowl. Okay, I need to be careful here. Oh wow, that was easy to open. So we've opened it, you guys. Oh, can you guys see the vegetable is there? Sorry about that. We've opened it. Pour it in. Oh, there's chocolate chips in it. There is white chocolate chips. Oh yeah. Oh wow, this is a lot of mixture.
Don't
know how many this makes. Well, it's going to make at least 4, maybe 6.
8 on bottom of it. It said 8. Like, at the bottom here. 9 actually.
Oh.
Right. Right, what next? So we've got that mix in.
Tastes really good, you guys.
Just doing some baking.
Add the egg, cold water brownies. And oil. Egg, cold water and oil.
Nice. Is that all the ingredients?
Yeah.
Super. Just doing baking, guys. Hi.
Crack the egg, you guys. Got a crack in it. Let's
Should.
pop our fingers in. Do that. Oh, there we are. No pieces of shell, I don't think there is. Right, let me dry my hands. Don't want to be having sticky hands. Now we need... How do we know 45 ml of water?
Don't know.
Measuring jug.
Yeah, good idea. Has it got milliliters on?
Pints. Litres. It's not got milliliters.
Type it on your phone. Oh wait, you can't because you're on it. It'll be fine. We'll just do an estimate. An estimated guess. Hi guys. So today we are making
Hello. Excuse me.
Brownies. Just do an estimate.
Okay. About that much.
I think a bit more.
Little.
Ooh,
There.
hi guys. What's bank oil in? How much oil did it say?
30 millilitres.
I think we'll need more water, but we'll get a bash. Do we need milk or Thomas?
No.
Just this?
No, this is it.
And I think that some more water. Then we'll mix it. Mix it up, sweetie.
Okay, I'm going to mix it up, you guys.
Yeah.
And you guys. Why do you always put the filter on them? For your eyelashes and your eyes.
So I look beautiful. Oh my god.
Okay, this is going pretty well.
Oh, are we gonna, like, where are we gonna? Do you want to make them
So
love
let's
art?
have a look.
Oh my god. Do you want to make them love art shape or what?
lumpy mixture. Wait. Form a lumpy mixture. Okay, so we need to form like a lumpy.
Thomas, do you fancy making them into love arts?
Sure.
Or,
Can do.
or do you want to just roll them up on a ball and put them on? I don't know if I've got any grease-proof paper. That's all I'm saying.
Probably do.
Move, George.
Because we always do.
It's brown.
Brown.
And it's long like cling film. No.
You'll have a look.
I don't think. Good girl.
So forming a lumpy.
No, we haven't got one. So because we haven't got any greaseproof paper
Makes
or
it a
any
little
kitchen
bit
towel, we'll just have to hi, thank you for the follow.
What does that even do?
What do?
The greaseproof paper.
Stops it from sticking to tray. So if we just tipped it onto there,
Well, we could
it'd
put some
work.
oil on. Would
But we'd stick it. Yeah, it'd work, but it'd be oily then. The
Oh yeah,
mixture.
it tastes bad. Right, I think that'll about do because it
Keep
says
mixing.
lumpy.
Yeah, but it all needs mixing and there's still powder in there, isn't there?
Is there? It has to be lumpy, you know.
Yeah, but not. It needs to be mixed in. Lumpy. Hi. Thank you for the love arts and the love.
You can mix this because it don't get harder, it don't get thicker.
Yeah, nice.
Will that do?
Oh, George, I love him. Yeah?
Nice.
Are you going to tip it in? Or do you want to make a big brownie cake?
Oh, yeah, we'll make a giant cake. Do we have that cake circle?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, you guys, we are making a giant cake. I want 2 videos. We're making a giant cake, well, brownie cake instead.
Oh, we can decorate it
So
after,
that's
can't
you
we?
guys as well. Yeah, you probably heard that. We're making a brownie cake.
We've got 2 videos going, as I say. Right, 1 minute, let me get the tray, hon.
Wow, you have so many likes.
Thank
From
you
Rio.
so much. Right, you can tip it in, sir, please. There you are.
Okay.
Just watch my phone. That didn't fall onto the floor.
So we're just going to pour.
We've lost a little girl again.
Probably upstairs.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Let's just pour.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Just keep it over. Nice.
Oh yeah, this is nice and thick. Oh, I'm enjoying this.
And then you can use the fork or whatever to scrape the rest out, can't you? And we can smudge it around. Why are you doing this on Switch?
YouTube.
Alright, we'll be
Oh god,
after.
it's not all mixed in. Still loads of powder at the bottom.
I said that to make sure. No, I'm going to come to this side and put... She's gone for a poo. Do you wanna dance, baby? Oh, thank you for the likes, Rio. How are you doing?
We're already at 600.
I hope that you're doing good. Rio, by the way.
Yeah.
Been to Sheffield Christmas market today. It's been nice, guys. Dottie! Flipping eyebrows keep going on and off. Do you wanna dance, baby?
We're done. Will that be enough?
Yeah, probably. I mean, there's like not much there.
Wow.
In there, yeah.
There's loads.
Get off, man. I mean, there's loads in here still. You could do another cake, lad.
What the hell am I tweeting?
You can still eat loads. I don't want you spewing up, do I?
I'm not going to spew.
There you are.
Right. There
Don't
we
get it all over because it's on outside of bowl. Right, move, Sky. Right, let's bang it in. Oh, nice. I'm in Doncaster as well. Just doing a bit of baking. Are you out round town then, DJ? Because my friend's just messaged saying that it's busy as out round town. I don't go out. Not anymore. Not hardly ever. Keep sending likes, guys, and sharing my live. Got a nose. I love you. Oh, tell me your phone. Don't forget your videos available still. I'm just going up to get Queen Doc. DJ, where in Doncaster are you? I'm in Bobby.
Why? If it's the cat letter, I already know. Eat it. No, you will not resist.
And that's why we've got the gate on the kitchen.
Naughty sausage.
Look at her, I love it.
Trying to eat my...
Some here. Some here. Somebody here. She knows what she's done. What you been bloody doing? What you been doing? You're bad girl. You're bad girl. You're bad. You know I don't like telling you off. No, I don't. No, I bloody don't. She's naughty. It's not funny. She's a twat. Honestly. Little shit bag. Fucking knackered. My eyes look red on this fella. Right, the cake's in. Thank you, guys.
Hi, guys.
Nice. Thank you, lovely. Come on, George, we found her. I'm going in room now, Piglet. Your video might still be on.
I know it is.
Are you coming in room?
Nah.
Sorry, you were laughing. She's a little shit. I'm just going to see his toys out. You see him some mountain. I'll go up and find a little sausage dog. Jock's in here.
Like and subscribe, you guys. If you want to see more cooking tutorials. Let me just read out what we have. So you guys can go ahead and vote. Write in the comments what we should bake. We could bake a pizza. We could bake a... We've got 2 triple chocolate cookie mixes. So here we have quite a couple of stuff that you guys just have to comment and we will bake. Go ahead and do that and we will. Well, comment what we should bake. Either a pizza, whether we should go to the store and buy some buy some ingredients for tzatziki and flatbread, because we could make that. I tried that a couple of days ago for the first time. It's really nice. Or we could also, so cookies, pizza, or flatbread and tzatziki. You guys can go ahead and vote in the comments. Whichever gets the most votes. If we get no votes, then I'll just pick. See ya. Mummy, I'm warming this chocolate up.
Okay. Please don't explode the house. Is the micro plugged in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. You guys, you might want to view this. You might want to watch this now. This is getting intense. We are going to put the chocolate in a microwave. Sorry if I got chocolate around my mouth. Micro power. 20 seconds. Instant start. That should do. Just warm it up a little. Ever so slightly. Oh, I've never actually had warm chocolate. Or melted warm chocolate. Oh yeah, this is going to taste so good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep, beep. We're finished. Okay, I'm gonna grab. I feel like it's gonna be warm.
What was that said that the woman out is on Monday, yeah?
Tastes pretty good. This tastes really good, you guys. Whisk it up. Some is more softer and more liquid here. I'm gonna go grab a spoon, that'll be way better for this. Fork is not working too well now. It's going through the holes. That is so good. Warmed up is so good. Wow. I know you guys are probably all over me. Okay. So, what I'd like you guys to do, go ahead and check my Twitch out. You must be joking me, my camera's been switched around the whole way. I am so sorry, my camera's been the wrong way. Go ahead and go to my Twitch. Tom Plays 121. Because in a minute I'm going to be making a video. Earlier I got the Hyperdrive bundle in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. Now if you play it you're going to know what that is. That's that bundle that is normally £89 I think. Or 90 something. There was a discount on today when I filmed this video. You might be watching it a couple of months later, years later, weeks later, days later. Whenever you're watching this video, it might still be out, so go ahead and check it. Oh my gosh, there's a bubble of chocolate. There's bubbles of chocolate in here. Don't think it will be though. So yeah, go ahead and look at that. Look at some of my videos that I upload. Like, subscribe, press the notifications bell, and bye-bye.